Alright, so the Grammys just announced say Keznamdi is the winner for Best Reggae Album. Alright, I know it's probably a shocker to a lot of people because, Keznamdi is not really like this big reggae artist like that. And me know enough of wanna vex, cause him beat out, the favorites, Lila, Vybz Kartel, and Jesse Royal. You understand? So enough I wanna me see a whole heap of negative comments and people are bash the man and I say, yo, how this, da 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 da. I may just have one question for ask When they list the man album? I doubt it. I doubt it. So how wanna fear run off with the mouth say I shouldn't get the award and you never even listen to the album? Oh. And then my doubt when you even listen Lila Ike album or even Vybz Kartel album either. Because enough of you not listen album. Wanna just a jump on the bandwagon for the most popular one artist they wanna love. Love the man. Cause I see some of the comments them I just bring down the man, and it just disgusting, dog. The man win. Why you can just say congratulations and call it a day, you know? You go on with this bagger things. Stop, man. Cut the fuckery.